doesn't want to be that awkward conversation anymore. When people ask us what Maggz album is at, we'll finally know. But now we need to ask you the 5 million rand question. What's with all this Mabala branding in the building? Y'all be making a lot of noise. They called you the Mabala son or something like that. Are you gonna sponsor my next project because you just got a nice check? What's good, buddy?
You're getting all entertaining on the nigga right now, but no, man, Mabala, we have like a distribution situation. I'm not like artist or whatever, you know. So a distribution situation is more like a business collusion of some sort. Not like Trump and Russia, but you know, something like that. Oh, implementing the album. Mabala Noise said 1st of September, so if it doesn't come out 1st of September, everybody gotta come in Mabala Noise, alright? Shout out, you know, but 1st of September, that's like next week. That's why we did the listening session today. So that's like next week, man. I'll appreciate everybody's support, iTunes. Get like a physical
beats we
copy.
own in the streets, and that's no fucking damn lie. I know so where to testify. Alright, call us up cause we kings on. For the spoiling shit we got rings on. New whip, 2 chicks.